cracking, everybody? Let's get this shit rolling. We're hitting the chest day or push day. I'm still gonna be doing push pull legs for a little bit. I've been still seeing progress with this shit, so I'm like, why would I switch that shit up? You know, I was kind of stalling with the big lifts, like I said on the last couple episodes. I switched it up because I was burning my shit out, and now I'm just switching it up a little bit. Again, I haven't done the incline press like that in way too long, so it feels good getting it back in the routine. And again, going for higher reps. So, that's the intro for today, y'all. Let's get this shit rolling. I wanna see what we got today. Oh, set one, come on. Ooh, I got 17 of those, y'all. That felt fucking great too. Again, I mean, I'm not really expecting myself to make like strength gains or anything, but shit, if it happens, it happens. Who am I to say no to that, right? All right, let's get it rolling. Set 2, baby. Let's see what we got. We got 17 on the last one. Again, I don't like counting, but sometimes it keeps you going a little bit here. I wasn't expecting that shit, so I'm like, oh yeah, let's go, it's a good day. $17 for 2. Oh yeah, that's feeling fucking great, y'all. No shoulder pain. Oh man, it's the thing of beauty when all your joints feel great, y'all. Man, get your shit right. Go get your shit right, players. Set 3 in this motherfucker, y'all. Man, I'm not gonna lie, that last set took me out. I'm feeling like I need a longer break, but I've already been resting for like 3 minutes, so I don't really think I need it any longer. But man, I guess this set will determine. Maybe it's just all this damn caffeine running through me, y'all. I'm a little cracked out, but hey, that's what we're here for, right? Make some fucking gains. Let's go. Let's see. Set 3. Come on. Yeah. Oh yeah, I probably need a longer break. I only got 13 in that time. You know, going from 17 to 13. I mean, still hitting 13 though. I like it. I like the number. Let's keep this shit rolling. All right, everybody. Last set. I'm feeling a little fucking janky because I chugged too much of my pre-workout too quick. It's I've realized that's why every once in a while I get like headaches and shit, just because like drink too much pre-workout too quick, and all of a sudden I'm like, I gotta let it out. But it's like hopefully this next set gets it out a little bit. But enough talking. Let's do this shit. Come on. Let's see what we get this time. I didn't get it all the way that time still, but I got 13 and a half, y'all. Fuck. That's better than 12. Next exercise going. Oh, Lord have mercy. All right, everybody, back to these Arnold presses. You know, I hear a lot of people talk shit about them. Oh, they're useless. All they know do nothing different. Man, like, listen to your body. These are on dot. I know I said this last time, but these are really on the dot when it comes to at least the stimulation. So I'm gonna keep these in my program, and I'm gonna just see if I get any gains off of this shit, you know? I do gotta add more side delt shit though, so I think today I'm definitely gonna take it easier on my next chest press, just so I can be able to get some lateral raises in, all right? Let's see how this first set goes. Come on, set 1. $12 of those. Ooh, my shit's burning right there, y'all. Set one down. I took a good little break, so I'm not feeling like fucking yakking, but hey, still making it happen. Set 2 in this motherfucker, y'all. Man, man, if you guys ever got questions about any of my workouts, like anything I'm doing, like my nutrition plan, again, I mean, I know I talk about my split in this too, but man, if y'all don't really know how to make up our own split, go ahead and shoot me a fucking DM or a comment on the video, because I'm always open for questions. Like, this is what I do for a living, y'all, so ask me whatever the hell you want, whenever the hell, because that's what I'm here for, all right, everybody? But, let's get set 2 going. Get myself a good break there, too. I want to get these reps going. Come on. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Man. And I don't know if y'all can tell, but I don't always go to exact failure, especially with the higher reps, because, man, you don't need to hit failure every time, every set when you're trying to make some gains. Like, if you're getting close enough, like say you're like 4 to 3 away from failure, that is good enough to get some growth, all right? But look, don't let that be an excuse to just go light and not challenge yourself. You should be going hard at the end of the day either way. But just know that getting to a failure isn't always necessary. I would suggest, like every, at the end of a workout or twice a week, some shit like that, but it's not necessary for every workout, especially if you're feeling burnt out. You're probably just gonna risk an injury like that, all right, y'all? We don't want that shit around here. So, next set, let's go. Yeah, that last set. Ooh, that felt great. I took a long break in between that one and the one before, so I did the same for this one. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we get. Come on. Woo! Yeah. See, I took a good ass break in between that one. I got like 15 right there. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Next set. All right, let's finish it off, y'all. Set 4 right here. I took a decent sized break here, but we're gonna see how this one goes to really determine, man. Honestly, I'm just ready to get to the next exercise. I've been, these feel great, but I love to keep pushing too. So let's see what we got. Last but not least. Ooh, 12 is valid. Calling it with that. Let's keep this shit rolling, y'all. All right, y'all, we jumping right into this shit. I like using the long ropes for my tricep extensions every once in a while, because again, that full extension. I try to switch up every other push day on which one I do. Again, I'm gonna start incorporating that bar one, but I also like to switch up with the overhead lengthened rope here. All right, let's see what we got. Oh man, that was a clean 11 right there. Again, right on target, ladies. All right, set 2, y'all. I just like keeping these tricep extensions pushing. These are very just like, all right, you gotta do what you gotta do type shit. I mean, sure, don't get me wrong, I like triceps and looking fucking getting a horseshoe going and shit, but they're not the most exciting for me here. I don't know why, but whatever, let's do this shit. Not the most exciting. Set 2 down though. Let's keep it rolling. All right, I'm trying to get this shit over with, y'all. Set 3, then I'm gonna move on to, you know what, fuck it. I'm gonna go to lateral raises after this shit, cause again, I kind of missed out on them last week, so let's see what we get this week, all right? I'm gonna jump into lateral raises and probably finish off with the press, cause I got some extra time today, so I'm like, fuck it, why not, right? Let's see what we got. Oh shit. See, I couldn't really get more than 10 reps there, so I don't know if y'all saw that last one. I went like slow motion on the way back to really tear that shit up. But that's it for set 3. Let's go get some lateral raises going, y'all. Set 1. I keep forgetting about chest supported lateral raises and how damn good they feel. So I'm gonna make these a staple in my new program as well. I'm just switching up the program a little bit. You know, I'm still doing my presses, at least with my bench pressing and shit. Again, just a different angle. And like my back days, again, I just cut out the big lifts. If y'all been keeping up, y'all know what's going on. I'm cutting out the big power lifts for a while and seeing what I can get out of all these bodybuilding type style lifts, all right? So let's see how this shit goes. Sit 1. Oh yeah. Woo. 17 reps of those, and again, oh, I love it. The fucking stimulus is on point. So, if y'all don't know, the only difference between chest supported and regular standing or seated lateral raises, it takes almost all other factors other than your shoulders out of the movement. So, really not much core involvement involved there. So, you're not going to be able to handle as much weight, but you know, again, every once in a while, it's good to do shit like this just to mix up that stimulus, all right? All right, let's do this shit, y'all. Set 2. I didn't take that long of a break because, I don't know, I personally feel like my shoulders don't always need a crazy break, especially when it's lateral raises. So I'm like, fuck it, let's see what we got. I'm jumping right into it. And that shit was feeling good. We're sticking with these 20s right here. We don't got to go any heavier. I want these high reps. Let's go. Oh Lord, I got 18 of them bitches that time. Ooh, don't get me wrong, my shoulders feel like they're about to fall off, but yeah, it's a damn good one, y'all. Set 2 down. Set 3. Let's do this shit. Gotta go, gotta get the all around the world angles for this bitch. I'm still feeling fucking good. I don't feel like dying right now. I must have done something right. I mean, I got my 8 hours, or actually, I know I advocate 8 hours, but 7 hours is good enough too. Like, I advocate for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. You can get gains with both of those. Again, it's all about what your body can work with, because sometimes, you know, what some of us can even survive off of 6. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend that unless like you just, I mean, shit, to each their own when it comes to that. I know I ain't gonna deal with 6 hours of sleep because I'm gonna feel like I'm fucking dying. I'll be working out. I got 2 jobs and I'm all over the place from like 5 a.m. till around 7 at night. So I'm like, I gotta get my sleep, y'all. Again, to each their own, whatever works for everybody, but let's do this shit. Set 3. You know, hitting the consistent 17, I'm feeling it right now, y'all. That's feeling great. Let's get it. Come on. All right, last but not least, y'all. Y'all know the drill. We finishing it off with these. Man, I'm going for like, honestly, I'm not even, again, I'm gonna just count, see what the fuck I get to, because these bitches are feeling great. And I still know, I can feel like I got another exercise in me, so let's see what we got. Come on. That's all I need, y'all. We are good with these lateral raises. Let's keep it pushing. One last exercise. Come on. All right, y'all. Let's see what we got today. I haven't done, okay, this is another staple I'm about to add to my program here. Back to cable chest flies. I used to do these so often, but ever since I've been to iron, I kind of just like cut them out for some reason, but let's get them back in the rotation, y'all. Let's see what we got.
This world shall know pain.
Whew. Oh yeah, that felt great. on target. We up in the weight, y'all, because that last set was feeling too fucking good. Oh, like 16 reps for sure. I know I want to do high reps, but I just upped it 15 pounds, so nothing crazy. Let's see how this shit feels. Come on. Woo! I don't even know how much I got. That shit was just burning though. Let's see how the fuck this angle is working over here, bro. Shit through in this bitch. Let's get it. Come on. Oh yeah. That's on fucking fire right there, y'all. I'm trying to go these beaties out. Oh man, I'm not gonna lie. Now I'm done for the fucking day, but we got one more set. Let's finish this shit off. All right, y'all. Let's finish this shit off with one last set. My chest feels like it's about to rip out of place, so see what we got. Come on. Yeah, that's what I'm fucking talking about, y'all. That's how we finish off a push day. Ooh, let's get a pump check going. All right, y'all, let's get this pump check going right quick. It's a damn good fucking push day. I feel pumped the fuck up. Let's see what we got. And that's how we wrap it up, you guys. Thank y'all for tapping in yet again. I really appreciate the support, all the likes and comments. Oh, I'm gonna keep this shit rolling, y'all. This is gonna be a fucking journey, y'all. So stick with me. Let's make this shit happen, everybody. I'll catch you on the next one. Have a good one.